Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with yesterday's big announcement as British Prime Minister Theresa May set out a timeline for the activation of Article 50. Within her speech, May revealed that the official process by which the UK will leave the EU will be triggered before the end of March 2017, causing concerns to mount within the city. Big businesses called for the government to avoid a sharp Brexit and build a transition period into Article 50 negotiations. Overnight trading saw the pound plummet as uncertainty mounted regarding the nature of Britain's exit from the EU, with city businesses arguing that a sudden stop would have damaging effects on the economy and a longer transition period is needed to phase out key European laws. The pound hit a low of 1.29213 against the dollar on Sunday night and is currently trading around 1.28514. We return to the troubled German lender Deutsche Bank, where various German publications have reiterated concerns that the German government would not bail out the bank. Speculation emerged last week that Angela Merkel would not offer Deutsche Bank a financial lifeline, with such a move potentially further damaging Merkel's already wounded political reputation. It was not too long ago that the German Chancellor scorned the Italian government for offering financial aid to some of its struggling lenders in the summer, and a Deutsche Bank bailout would be a rather hypocritical move. In indices, the UK 100 has started the day in a very positive manner, having closed yesterday on 6,908.2, a 15.2 point increase. Germany 30 also started positively this morning, having closed 37.8 points up yesterday, and the France 40 also saw a 15.2 increase to close on 4,458.9. In corporate news, AstraZeneca said this morning that its research arm, MedImmune, has entered a licensing agreement with Allergan for the rights to its Crohn's disease medicine. The trade deal between the EU and the US, the Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership, has entered the 15th round of negotiations. Chancellor Philip Hammond will unveil a £5 billion house building stimulus package later today, planning to use public lands to encourage new developers and give loans to house builders. Google is set to unveil branded smartphones as part of a batch of new devices aimed at competing in markets with Apple and Amazon. In upcoming data, at 9 o'clock Eurozone manufacturing PMI is released, 9:30 UK manufacturing PMI is revealed, at 2:45 sees US manufacturing PMI announced, and at 2:50 Bank of England bond buying operation results are uncovered. Thank you for listening.